Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, GLP-1 receptor agonist use linked to chronic cough among adults with type 2 diabetes. The study found an association between the use of glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor agonists, GLP-1 RAs, and an increased risk of developing chronic cough in patients with type 2 diabetes. Compared to those prescribed other second-line diabetes medications, patients taking GLP-1 RAs had a significantly higher risk of being diagnosed with new chronic cough. This association remained even after excluding patients with a previous diagnosis of gastroesophageal reflux disease. The researchers concluded that there is a clinical association between GLP-1 RA use and new onset of chronic cough in patients with type 2 diabetes. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak